Welcome back to NextGear Auto Reviews. Today we are exploring a vehicle that redefines the limits of luxury travel, engineering brilliance and on-road presence. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a travel machine, it is a hyper-luxury, hyper-performance home on wheels designed for buyers who want the absolute best. For the USA audience that appreciates power, exclusivity and a design that turns highways into red carpets, this creation is unlike anything the automotive world has ever seen. Let's begin with the exterior, and as you requested, this section will be slightly longer and more detailed than the rest because the outside of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a visual masterpiece. The design language is heavily inspired by Bugatti's hypercars, especially the Chiron and Tourbillon. You immediately notice the massive C-shaped line integrated into the full-side profile, creating a sculpted flow that visually shrinks the size of this huge motorhome. This signature curve is not just decorative, it improves aerodynamics by directing airflow around the body. The front end commands absolute attention. The legendary horseshoe grille is expanded and redesigned for a motorhome scale, maintaining functional airflow to cool the hybrid powertrain hidden beneath the rear section. The grille seamlessly blends into ultra-slim laser matrix headlights that stretch across the front fascia-like precision-cut glass blades. These lights adjust automatically for weather, traffic and speed, giving the vehicle a sharp, futuristic expression. The entire body structure uses a mix of lightweight carbon fiber, aerospace aluminum and titanium reinforcements. These materials allow Bugatti to reduce weight while maintaining an extremely rigid shell, something rare in the motorhome segment. Smooth carbon panels, wide wheel arches, flush windows and hidden door handles contribute to a sleek silhouette. The suspension sits slightly lower than traditional RVs, giving it a grounded stance more similar to a luxury SUV than a bulky camper. Along the sides, continuous LED strips run from the A-pillar all the way to the rear, creating a floating aura at night. When driving through American cities or coastal highways, this lighting package makes the motorhome look like a futuristic spacecraft gliding on the road. Retractable aluminum steps disappear completely when the doors lock, leaving no interruptions in the smooth lower body. The wheels are an engineering piece of art on their own. Massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels feature aerodynamic carbon inserts, designed to reduce turbulence and improve stability at higher speeds. The multi-layer carbon side mirrors contain integrated cameras that feed into the cockpit, helping the driver maintain full awareness despite the vehicle's size. Walking around to the rear, the Bugatti identity continues strong. The back panel features quad LED elements shaped like lightning arcs, a powerful signature carried over from their performance cars. The center section includes ventilation slats for cooling the hybrid system and battery pack, while a fully functional active spoiler adjusts according to speed and driving mode. This spoiler reduces drag, improves stability and enhances the dramatic road presence of the vehicle. The rear diffuser, unusually sporty for a motorhome, directs airflow to keep the vehicle balanced, especially during strong crosswinds or highway overtakes. This exterior isn't just designed to look expensive, it's built to perform like a hyper-engineered mobility mansion. The aerodynamic shape allows the motorhome to glide with surprising smoothness, helping fuel efficiency and high-speed stability. Now let's step inside, because Bugatti treats the interior like a 5-star penthouse on wheels. The cabin space blends French craftsmanship with modern luxury. Premium leather, Alcantara, real wood, titanium touches and high-grade carbon fiber create a warm but ultra-exotic environment. The cockpit is inspired by the minimalistic but highly functional Bugatti hypercars, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, a holographic infotainment display and biometric controls. Voice recognition and gesture control allow the driver to operate almost everything without touching physical buttons. The living space is where Bugatti breaks all expectations. The lounge area includes a full-size sofa set with massage and temperature control features, a retractable 8K smart TV and a premium sound system tuned for immersive movie nights or music sessions. Large panoramic electrochromic windows let you adjust the tint with a simple command, giving privacy when needed and wide-open views when desired. The kitchen is built like a luxury yacht galley with premium materials, induction burners, smart refrigerator, automated sink and modular storage. The master bedroom features a queen-sized floating bed, ambient lighting, soft close cabinets and integrated climate zones to make road trips feel like hotel stays. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower system, high-polish fixtures and a spacious layout rarely seen in motorhomes. Bugatti has transformed every inch of this interior into a travel sanctuary, ensuring that comfort meets sophistication at every step. Performance is where Bugatti truly breaks every boundary of what a motorhome should do. Under the rear section sits a hybrid powertrain inspired by the technology of their top hypercars. The power output reaches around 1500 horsepower, blending a massive V8 engine with an advanced electric boost system. This allows the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome to accelerate with an authority no other RV can match. Even though top speed is electronically limited for safety, the way it reaches highway speeds feels effortless. Bugatti has also included multiple drive modes such as comfort, touring and performance, each adjusting suspension, throttle response and aerodynamic settings. Handling is assisted by all-wheel steering, adaptive dampers and torque vectoring, giving the driver surprising confidence even on winding roads. Braking performance is supported by carbon ceramic discs, ensuring stopping power stays sharp even with a large body. The electric motor offers silent low-speed driving for campgrounds or urban areas, while the hybrid system delivers long-distance cruising with efficiency that outperforms typical large RVs. Technology plays a major role in the performance side as well. The Bugatti Road Assist Suite includes 360-degree cameras, autonomous parking, lane smart guidance, auto-adjust cruise, collision detection and a semi-autonomous highway driving mode to reduce fatigue on long trips. Solar panels on the roof help power onboard electronics, while a high-capacity battery allows off-grid camping without relying too much on fuel. When it comes to market availability, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is expected to be a limited production masterpiece targeted mainly at North America and select international clients. For the USA audience, availability will be extremely exclusive with only a limited number of units allocated each year. Pricing will sit in the ultra-luxury bracket, making it accessible only to buyers who want the absolute best in hyper-luxury travel. Pre-orders will likely start through exclusive Bugatti dealerships or direct invitation programs, maintaining the brand's signature exclusivity. For travelers who want the combination of hypercar power, top-tier comfort and unmatched presence on the road, this machine becomes the ultimate road trip partner. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a design milestone that proves the boundaries of travel can be pushed far beyond the expected. It is a rolling luxury mansion crafted with the precision of a high-performance machine. If you enjoyed this breakdown on one of the wildest luxury releases of 2026, make sure to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to NextGear Auto Reviews for more amazing automotive content.